Hi, everyone. So I can tell you that it will be exciting almost for me because I have to share with you an interesting talk with my bad English. We are French speakers, but I will do my best to give something for you. Most countries have suffered forest loss of degradation since the last 2 decades. Opportunity for restoration exists on all continents and are huge in terms of area, although the estimate of their extent is rough. Madagascar is worldwide known for its species and natural habitat endemism, and its dramatically continuous deforestation, which has significant impacts on local community livelihoods. The drivers of deforestation in the country are coming especially from external factors like slash and burn agriculture, which drives us to rethink on concrete approaches. The solutions of forest problems are not only from forestry. They have to be more integrated through an intersectoral approach with a coherent territorial planning. Looking for restoration options are not enough, and it drives most of the time into a sectoral approach. Even it might leverage the private sector own interest, which may be against multi-benefit shame and impact. The case of palm oil is one example of that. The need of maintaining ecosystem services gives us more coherent approach on how to find a balance on the landscape in which all sectors have their places. For our country, in addition to ROAM, the Restoration Option Assessment methodology, we have run up an additional assessment based on specialization of needed area to be restored to maintain the main ecosystem services, especially water, soil productivity, and biodiversity, and has come up with watershed prioritization based on Madagascar I-400 commitment, which can be scaled down for action, planification, and prioritization. Just to give you some points to take at home. The first one is the integration of private sector is crucial, but might have some limitation in terms of maintaining ecosystem services in the territorial planning is not clear defining the potential chain value development priority. However, the upscaling process can only be done with the key contribution of private sector. Secondly, in terms of methodology, implementing a monitoring tool is central and must be based on ecosystem services impacts. And last, the sustainable landscape management is based on the need and balance of ecosystem services priorities. It means that forest landscape restoration options must be identified only after considering the main ecosystem services to be restored. We have already tested this methodology, and I can tell you that it is just using the geographical information system and to analyze a lot of data, and you can use considering first those ecosystem services, and only after that you try to define which options can match with these ecosystem services. Do not forget that human life on this Earth planet depends first on the quality of these ecosystem services. That's why we need to begin our approach by these ecosystem services. Thank you.